Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the main event. Tonight we have an epic duel between Baloo the burner puppy weighing in at 40 pounds versus Hulk the Honking Hippo at, well, less than 1 pound. Who will prevail? Round 1 went to Hulk the Honking Hippo with his aggressive noise tactics to deter Baloo. However, round 2 quickly went south for Hulk, as Baloo was all over him and dominated the round. Will the referee stop this madness? It's all over, folks. A final round knockout for us to leave Baloo as the undefeated heavyweight champion of the Dog Wrestling Federation. The DWF thanks everyone for watching, especially new subscribers. We're here each week with new videos, so hit that subscribe and notification bell so you never miss one.